Lakshiga qurt yedirdik.
Very good.
Just suck it.
Ha. Oldin yeb ko'rganmi Mustafa bu?
No, don't drink water.
Mustafa, give me water.
Remember when I can't drink water?
Mustafa, give me water.
Laksh, try one more.
That was half. It's not bad, genuinely.
Lakshi katta bola bo'lib qolgan, mana muskulist, shov muskul. Ana muskulisti bo'lib qolgan. Qayerdan uylanasan? Qayerdan?
Uzbek women.
O'zbekistonda uylanadi ana. Молодец. Why?
Culture.
Culture uchun ana. Because bu meni ko'rdi, to'g'rimi? Qanaqa ovqat qilaman, meni ovqat because food very delicious.
Oh yeah, very delicious.
Yes. And also qurt. Men Lakshiga o'zbek topaman. Ha? Lakshi? O'zim oyisi bo'laman buni.